practice and create in a space designed for professionals by professionals. This is where your picture-perfect career begins.
SSVP is where students master the art of portrait and fashion photography, working with professional setups just like in the industry. At SSVP, we provide students with high-end cameras, lenses, lights, all the industry-grade equipments, just to get a hands-on experience for the students and to help them understand how exactly professional lighting works.
Commercial photography is in high demand, and our students train in fully equipped studios that meet industry standards. So we have specialized rigs for product and tabletop photography. We have macro lenses for precise detailing, and we also have light tents for any kind of e-commerce work.
So here we learn about the different things involved in the process of filmmaking. It starts with ideation, script writing, screenplay writing, narration, and storyboard development. As a part of the production process, we teach our students to use cinema cameras along with the cinema lighting. We invite all your aspirants to join SSVAP and make your way to create a picture-perfect career for yourself.